Alright friends, let's learn some more about mushrooms.
Alright, now, I found some more mushroom specimens that might be interesting to look at, but I've got to be careful. It's full of thistle in here. Now, if you get down here real close, you can see that all of these mushroom caps are starting to split up and turn brown. And that's because these mushrooms have probably dispersed all of the spores that they were growing inside the caps. Once the spores are dispersed into the wild, the mushroom can actually die off. And that's because it's done its purpose. There's no use for the mushroom after that. It's just the fruiting body. Let's keep moving. Come down in here and take a look at what I just found. Down in here we have some shaggy mane mushrooms. You can see down here in this mushroom that these have a bell-shaped curve around the whole stem. Now if you look at this one up here, it's the same mushroom, it's just a little bit bigger. And the cap is completely flat and curved around and turned black now. These mushrooms start off in a bell-shaped curve style cap. And once the spores have completely developed and are ready to disperse, the mushroom actually digests itself and turns into a black ink. And that's because the spores aren't exposed to any of the natural elements. They can't get out of the cap because of the way the cap's shaped. So the cap self-digests so that the spores can be dispersed. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Right, now when you're looking for mushrooms out in the wild, a really good place to look for them is in damp, dark, cool climates. That's where all the decomposing material is, so that's where all your mushrooms are going to be. If we take a look right here, you can see a very tiny little orange mushroom. Isn't she just a cutie? Now, a lot of mushrooms will grow anywhere and everywhere. You walk out your front door of your house and there might be a mushroom right there in the grass. But out in the wild, out in these woods here, they like the colder, damper climates. Mushrooms that aren't parasitic like to eat and feed on decomposing material. And that's where the decomposing material is, so that's where they're going to be.